Science for grade 11. Now, this is the second video of subunit 5 of unit 6. Subunit 5 means nervous system. This is the second video of the nervous system. Now, let us learn about nerve cells. Nerve cells are also known as neurons. Nerve cells are the building units of the nervous system. Building units of the nervous system actually are neurons. There are three types of neurons. There are three types of nerve cells. They are sensory neurons, intermediate neurons, and the motor neurons. Motor neuron, this is a motor neuron. This is an intermediate neuron. And this is a sensory neuron. Sensory neurons conduct messages, better to say impulses, nerve impulses. Sensory neurons conduct messages or impulses from the sensory organs to the central nervous system. Can you remember this actually? What is meant by central nervous system? Central nervous system is brain and the spinal cord. Brain and the spinal cord. From the brain and the spinal cord, nerves are connected to the sensory organs and also to the effectors, muscles and glands. Effectors do the response. Sensory organs receive stimuli. The function of sensory neurons actually is to receive stimuli and conduct impulses or messages to the central nervous system, and from central nervous system is brain and the spinal cord. Central nervous system actually decides what to do. There is response, and actually response message is sent from the central nervous system to the effectors. There are two types of effectors, glands and muscles. Muscles contract actually to make a movement. Glands secrete some secretion. The function of glands is to secrete the secretion actually. Now, sensory neurons receive stimuli. Actually, the part of sensory neurons which receive the stimulus is dendrites. Dendrites receive the stimulus. dendrons conduct that message to the cell body. From the cell body, that message actually goes through the action, and from the these are endings of the action. And from the endings of the action, that message or the nerve impulse is transmitted to the dendrites of the intermediate neurons. And after receiving that actually impulse by dendrites, it is conducted through intermediate neurons to the motor neuron. Now this is motor neuron. Impulses actually conducted by the intermediate neurons are transmitted from the endings of the action of these neurons to the dendrites of motor neurons. These are dendrites of motor neurons. Actually, after that, it is conducted through this neuron to the effector. Effectors, there are two types of effectors, muscles and glands. Now this is how actually to do a response. Messages or impulses should go from the sensory neurons to the intermediate neurons and then to the motor neurons. And actually along the motor neuron that should be conducted to the effector. Effector actually do the action or response. Response is done by muscles of gland. Muscles are contracted and make a movement. Glands, they secrete some secretion according to the type of stimulus. The secretion is actually made by the glands. Now these are dendrites. Dendrites of sensory neurons are present in the sensory organs. Endings of the axons are also, endings of the axons are present in the central nervous system. Dendrites of the intermediate neurons are also present in the central nervous system, in the brain or in the spinal cord. Now from the intermediate neuron, nerve impulse should should be transmitted to the motor neuron. Actually, now it's like this. Dendrites of sensory neurons receive the stimulus. After that nerve impulse goes to the sensory neuron and transmitted to the dendrites of the intermediate neurons from the endings of the axon. Dendrites of the intermediate neurons are and endings of the axon, they are present in the central nervous system, and endings of the axons of the intermediate neurons are also present in the central nervous system, and dendrites of the motor neurons are also present in the central nervous system, and endings of the action are present in the effectors, muscles or in glands, in the muscles or in glands actually. Now, if you are asked to tell where do you find the dendrites of motor neurons? Now, where do these dendrites of motor neurons present? In the central nervous system. Now, dendrites of the sensory neurons are present in the sensory organs. Endings of the action are present in the central nervous system. Dendrites of the individual neurons and also endings of the individual neurons, endings of the action of individual neurons are also present in the central nervous system. Not only those actually. Dendrites of the motor neurons are also present in the central nervous system. Endings of the action of motor neurons are present in the effectors. So you have to remember this. This is very important. Where are the dendrites of sensory neurons present? In the sensory organs. Where are the endings of the actions of sensory neuron present? In the central nervous system. Where are the dendrites of the intermediate neurons present? In the central nervous system. Where do you find the endings of the actions of the intermediate neurons? In the central nervous system. Where do you find the dendrites of the motor neurons of dendrites of motor neuron present in the central nervous system? Where do you find the endings of the actions of motor neurons? In the effectors. In muscles actually or glands. So this is very important. Not only that. Not only in the actions. Not only in the actions, in the dendrites also. Now there are the length of this. There are some motor neurons where actually these are nerve fibers. No, some nerve fibers are long and some are short. There are short dendrites and also long dendrites, and there are short axons and also sometimes there are long axons. Around these nerve fibers, all these nerve fibers, right, dendrites and axon, nerve fibers. A nerve is made actually by neurons, right? Collection of neurons actually will make a nerve. Now, around these nerve fibers, it can be an axon or a dendron. Actually, you have two coverings. Neurulema is the outer covering. It is actually you can see through it. Transparent. Neurulema is a transparent covering. Inner covering is myelin sheath, white in color. That is why nerves are actually the color of nerves actually white. Reason is that myelin sheath. When a myelin sheath is present, speed of conduction of messages or impulses is actually, speed is high. This is very important, right? Now, these are the three types of nerve cells or neurons by which the nervous system has actually made. Nervous system is made of neurons. You have to learn about, you have to understand about neurons well. Actually, now from next video, third one, I think we can study about the brain and the spinal cord. And we have to do several videos for this lesson. Endocrine system, about hormones, also called actually ductless glands, endocrine system, and also, so there are several topics to study. So this is the second video of the nervous system. Please, try to learn these very carefully. All these are very important. And also, you must ask your friends also to study these. And also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.